Hello, I'm Lynn Wheaton, and I'm hoping you're going to be joining us for our course, Growth and Development of Your Dental Practice. My longtime friend and colleague, Dr. Scott Goodman, and I are looking forward to seeing you in November. November is a perfect time of year for you to start to think strategically. In this course, we'll be doing some hands-on experience with you with understanding the range norms of what your business expenses are. We'll actually be breaking out a P&L with you so that you can determine what your historical expenses were and then start to determine the production necessary to cover the expenses you're anticipating having.
We will discuss not only the clinical hat you wear, but also the leadership and entrepreneurial hats needed to run your business, and how your financial goals and practice metrics will assist you in pointing to systems that support their achievement, all while still being in alignment with your practice, vision, and values. And lastly, and importantly, how to give appropriate feedback to your team, celebrating successes and recognizing opportunities for growth, both related to how to properly compensate your team related to not only practice profitability, but also their performance. So if you're looking to set the right stage for the new year and beyond, please join us. The course will be held on these dates at this location. And if you have any questions, please contact me at this address. We look forward to seeing you at the course, and until that time, please stay safe.